Hey, greetings all. This is just a quick video about making a whole mackerel. You can get these at your local supermarket or catch them yourself if you can. But anyways, preferably they would be already cleaned out because that part is not as much fun. What we'll do is stuff them with some lemons, parsley and garlic. And then we'll make a paste out of olive oil, garlic powder, hot paprika, black magic spice, and Vegetta, which is a European spice. And we'll glaze the fish with that before placing them into the oven for 30 minutes on 400 degrees. Then for the final stage, we'll broil them. Okay, so we have the glaze ready. But before we apply that, we'll stuff the fish with the lemons, parsley, and garlic. Okay, so far so good. Filling supply. Now that we have the stuffings done, we'll apply the glaze on the outside of each fish and put some a little bit inside as well. Before we wrap them into parchment paper, followed by aluminum foil. Right. Okay, so far so good. So as the next step, we'll wrap each fish into its own parchment paper, and then we'll wrap the parchment paper into aluminum foil before placing them into the oven. Okay, so we're almost done creating these two containers that are aluminum foil. Okay, let's get the oven started. 400 degrees. Combo inside. The Okay, as the next step, we'll broil the fish on 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll keep the oven door open and monitor the progress. Alright, let's start the broiling process. I'll put that on a high. So let's see here for there we have it after 5 minutes of broiling. This is now done on one side. I'll do the other side as well and then serve the fish. Okay, the fish is finally done. So it took 30 minutes on 400 degrees to cook it in the oven. Following that was 5 minutes of broiling on high for each side. And yeah, we'll see how this tastes. Thank you for watching.
Bon appetit! Thanks for watching!